Okay, guys, this is the last assignment for week 5. This is assignment 5.3. It's pretty much the same as 5.2, but this is the only assignment you are going to submit this week. So, same dealio. I'm going to go to the Google Drive one. And when you submit this assignment, you're actually going to submit a picture. It's a little bit different. I'll talk about that at the end, though. You're going to open this and you read the instructions, and it says, you do not need to print this worksheet out. Complete all the answers on a separate sheet of paper, so a physical piece of paper. And then you're going to take a picture of it and submit it to turn it in. The reason we're doing that is we want to see your actual work on these. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Oops. Instead of a piece of paper, I'm just going to use a virtual piece of paper, which is my iPad. I'll zoom into this one right here. So part 1, the first question is asking if I have 1 mole, how many atoms do I have? Well, you have that really big number. It starts with a 6. Let's go through these. If you have half a mole, you have half of that big number. That's for number 3. I'm going to focus on part 2, which is molar mass. So it says calculate the molar mass of each of the following. You must show all of your work to get credit for these problems. I just did it on my calculator. Is not an acceptable response. If you don't have a calculator, and like I always say, don't use your iPhone calculator, it sucks. I posted a really nice one right here. You guys have probably used this one before. It has parentheses, you can delete. It's way better than your iPhone. Don't use an iPhone calculator. They suck. So there's that. So we're going to tackle this one first. If you haven't done 5.1 and 5.2 yet, do not do this. Go and do those first. Okay, so number 4, it's telling me get the molar mass of Kf. Okay. Well, we'll do that right now then. Hopefully this works. Oh, it works. Here's how you should show your work for these. I want the molar mass for Kf. So I'm going to do number 4, the molar mass. Oops, I keep forgetting I have an erase button and I don't need to cross out. Kf. I look at this. This is potassium and fluorine. It's potassium fluoride. I know that there is 1 potassium, 1 K, and then I have 1 F. So now I need to find the weight of both of these things combined. So my molar mass of Kf equals 1, or we'll just do K plus F. And like we said, there's only one of each of these. There's only 1 K and 1 F. Okay. So then, now we have to reference a periodic table. So, oh my gosh, on my website there's a periodic table one. So we go there. Click the zoom button. So first I need the... How do I do this? Yeah. First, I need the mass of potassium. So I see my potassium is 39.8, or 39.98. And now I need the weight of my fluorine, which is right here. I'm writing these down. I'll show it after, which is 18.998. You're going to ask how many decimals. I honestly don't care. If you remember how to do significant figures, then do that, please. But try your best. So I have that stuff written down. I'm going to go here. This is a mass from the periodic table. These are both the masses. I'm going to plug that into my calculator, which I do have on hand. So that is 39.098 plus 18.998. And that gives me this answer. 58.096. I'm not done. I need my unit. Here's my unit. My unit is in grams per mole. So what that means in Kf, there is 58.096 grams in 1 mole of Kf. Cool. I am going to be a boomer and forget how to use an iPad. Okay, I'll do another one for you guys. Why don't I just erase? Maybe that would be easier. Okay. Let's go do another one. I'll do a harder one this time. So on the same worksheet, we're going to look at it. Just clicking randomly because I can't find it. No, I accidentally. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Here it is. I'll zoom in. We do number 6. Number 6 is a little harder. So it's asking for the molar mass of sodium nitrate, NaNO3. So that is number 6. Like, what the hell? Okay, there we go. Number 6. This is NaNO3, and I need the molar mass of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I recognize that there is one Na. There's one N, and there is 3 oxygens. So my molar mass is going to be all of those weights added up. So my molar mass of NaNO3 is going to equal 1 Na plus 1 N plus 3 oxygens. I know it looks like 30, but that means 3 oxygens. Okay, so I'm going to consult my periodic table that I don't have up for some reason. Oh dear. Okay. Here's my periodic table. I look on here, and now I need the weight of sodium. I see sodium has a weight of 22.990. Nitrogen has a weight of 14.07 or 0.007, and oxygen has a weight of 15.999. So I just filled these 3 numbers in right here. These are straight from the periodic table. I know that I have 1 sodium, so I'm going to be 1 times this number. I have 1 nitrogen, so it's going to be 1 times this number. But I have 3 oxygen, so it's going to be 3 times that number. I'm going to put that in my calculator real quick. So I need... Jeez. Okay, so here's what I got when I put it into my calculator. I just put this long thing into the calculator, and I got this. Something I want to point out is I'm going to use parentheses because it makes everything easier in life. And there's my answer, 84.994. Go back to my iPad. So, and this all will equal 84.994 grams per mole. Awesome, yay. And that's your answer. So that is the molar mass of NaNO3. And that's your answer. Remember, for this assignment, you are going to finish all of these, all of them. This is the only thing you're submitting this week. You're going to take a picture of your handwritten work, and then you're going to submit it to turn it in.